Okay, little Keats, sit. Good doggy. Now beg for your life. That's right, little Keats. Come on, you can do it. Let me hear you cry. No good. Bang! Gotcha.
Yeah, that's all right.
Poor little boy.
It's all right.
Surprised you showed up.
Why isn't this prisoner in cuffs?
There he goes, being a cop again.
Well, he wasn't going anywhere.
You cuff him. Arms, legs, feet. I want his cuffed to his nuts. And then put him on the plane.
Before you do that, see you later, buddy. Man's best friend right here. Oh, you like that? Look at that. He's licking me because he likes to lick me. Not because he's trying to get close to me and then f me over.
Do I speak with an accent?
No.
Then cuff the prisoner!
Don't you even want to know why I asked for you, Keats?
I know why. You want to finish what you started. But I'm warning you, Archie Moses. I'm looking for an excuse to kill you. If you sneeze, if you fart, if I even smell your breath, I will shoot you dead.
How about if I chew loud? Sometimes when I eat, I chew loud. Nom, 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 nom. You gonna shoot me? I ain't gonna try anything, Keats. And you're so wrong about that day.
You know what? I don't want to hear nothing you have to say about any subject at any time. And yes, I will shoot you if you chew loud.
Man down! Sniper! Sniper! They're trying to kill me! Get your ass on that plane! Hustle! Let's go!
What's going on up there?
Pilot's dead!
I got 1,000 hours.
What?
I got 1,000 hours flying a plane. Oh, Mr. Colton's in the import-export business, remember?
Here, buddy. Sorry.
Hey, come on, fly this baby. No, I'm not gonna fly it. Not until you apologize to me.
What?
Apologize to me. You did some. You better hurry.
I swear to God, if you don't fly this damn plane, you're gonna experience death and deja vu. Now fly the goddamn plane!
You're a bad person, man.
I can actually taste my nuts! Oh, you're killing me! I can't!
Mayday, does anyone read?
Mayday? What is it, the Kirk Douglas movie?
Is everything a joke?
Wasting your time anyways, man.
Well, can we make L.A.?
Not without gas.
They blew up gas tanks!
Okay. Well, we're probably gonna crash head first, right? Okay, I'll be in the back sitting on the black box.
Here we go now! Yeah! Oh!
I saved our